Good morning, boys and girls. Today is December 2nd, 2020. We are working on Chapter 3, Lesson 6. Our sentence, I can add 3 and 4-digit, 2-digit numbers. So 3 different numbers, 1, 2, 3, and each one of them has either 2 digits. So this is getting more complicated as we go on. We'll spend 2 days on this. What you need to have for me now is your packet, Chapter 3, add 2-digit numbers. You will need to have a pencil, and you will need to have your whiteboard if you want to. It makes it easier sometimes. So pause the video, go get your supplies, and come back to me. Okay, so now you're back. I have a story to tell you. This is also, we'll do this twice. Okay, here's my story. See, I have 3 numbers, 20, 1, 2, and 3, 20, 10. I'm sorry, let me backtrack. I have 3 numbers. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. This is 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 22, 10, 20, 21, 22. And then I have 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We are going to add these numbers together. This is 3 numbers. Each one of them is 2 digits. So what I'm going to do right now, though, before we move on, is I'm going to write those numbers down. So this is 13. This is 22. And this is 14. Each number has 2 digits. This is a digit. This is a digit. 13 has 2 digits. Digit, 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 digit. So we're going to add these numbers together. First thing we need to do is figure out if we can, you always add the ones first. Let's add those together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I need to regroup? No, it's not under 10. So we know that there's going to be 9 ones. And I'm writing that down here, 9 ones. How many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s. So our number is 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So adding 3 numbers is just finding patterns. Like for example, I could find 6. Like, so here's 6. 6 plus 3, I know that's 9. So that's finding a pattern. So that's why adding 3 numbers, you can make 10s, you can add doubles together. There are several different ways you can do that. So now what I'd like you to do is to open up your page, your packet, your Chapter 3 packet, adding 2-digit numbers, Chapter 3, open it up to page number 197. And here we go. Here's 197. 197, and I will write it bigger up at the top of the page. 197. And what we're going to do is the exact same problem. Okay, so Miley's class is having a car wash. They watched 13 blue cars. So here's 1 10, 3 ones. They washed 22 red cars, 2 10s, 2 ones. They washed 14 white cars, adding them together. So you could do it a couple of different ways. You could 3 plus 2 equals 5. That one's easy. And then you know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. That's your ones. And here I'm going to make a line so that you know that this is my ones. And then my 10s is going to go in the 10s column. And so I have 2, 3, 4. And it's 49. This is the exact same thing we did when we did this. This is just using numbers. Okay, now turn your page. We're going to do some more together. Okay. And this is a see and show, kind of gives you some helpful hints. Oh, look at this. Helpful hint number 1. This is important. This is what I always do. Remember, when you add the ones, look for a fact you know. Like something that you've practiced, like 2 plus, or a doubles fact. You know those, or making a 10. Sometimes that's easier. Okay, so you can add 3 and 4 2-digit numbers. Line up the ones and 10s. Very important. Add the ones first, then the 10s. See how these are lined up? Here's the ones right on this side, and here's the tens. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if I can make this bigger. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, here we go. There you go. Okay, so now, number one, oh, wait, let's go back up here. Add 3 numbers. The 6 and the 4, we know that makes a 10. So 10 plus 4, then you add 4 more. 10 plus 4 equals 14. You know that's over 10, so you put the 4, you regroup and give the tens column another 10. 3, let's see if I can make, so this is, I can do 2 plus 1 makes 3, and then that's a double, so 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 1 more equals 7. Is this focused? I'm going to, It's okay. You'll let me know today in class if it's not. Okay, so now let's move on to this other side. You can add 4. Oh, this is adding 4 numbers now. 3 and 4 numbers. Okay, you're finding 2 doubles. That's 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then we know that 8 plus 5 equals 13. 13 plus 2 more equals 15. So here's a 5. You regroup. And then adding all these together. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6, 7, 8. You know what you can use too to add these together? You can use beans if you have beans, or the paper cubes that I gave you at the beginning of the year, if you still have those. They might help. Okay, now we're going to move on to number 1. All right, you can always draw your line if you need to separate the 1s and the 10s. I'll do that for the first 2, like this. Okay, actually for the first 4, then we'll do the rest. Okay, so I'm looking for a 10. 7 plus 3, I know that equals 10. And then 10 plus 4 equals 14. It's over 10, so I write my 4, because there are 4 1s, and I regroup. 2, 3, 4, 5. 54. The next one, I'm looking for a doubles. Look at this, a doubles. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Do I need to regroup? No, because it is less than 10. 2, 3, 4 equals 49. I'm going to try something really fast and see if this works, okay? I'm going to see if this works. If it doesn't, then this is odd. Oh, no. Sorry about that. I made it backwards for you guys. Here we go. All right. Now, number 3. Oh, this one's easy. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And it is over 10, so I write my 1s right here. I regroup, and I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 75. Next one, I'm going to make a 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and then that's 0. Is it over 10 or over? Yes. So you need to move that over. So we have 0 1s, see? And then regroup. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, and it becomes 60. Number 5. Now we're moving down to the 4 2-digit numbers. What? Okay, ready? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 10. That makes it easier for me. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And so 10 plus 2, 10 and 2 equals 12. 12 plus 7, that equals 19. So 19, it's over 1. It's over 10. So you put your 1s over here. You regroup and add a 10 to the tens column. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It becomes 69. We are going to spend a lot of time on this because it can get confusing. Okay, so I'm going to make a doubles. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. So then I'm going to do 10 plus, so this 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13, which is over 10. So you need to regroup. Put your 3 in the 1s column. Regroup. Okay, so now I'm starting with when I add, I'm starting with the biggest number. So it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it becomes 93. You know what also? I gave you a whole bunch of Post-it notes. And so what I'm going to use, sometimes this makes it easier. In class, I would normally do this. What I do is we start with the ones column, right? So I'm going to cover up this one. So you add these ones first. See, we're on this number. Here's the doubles. It's 6. Oh, and then I can make another 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12, right? So, oh my goodness gracious. Let me go start my light. Sorry about that, you guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. Oh, really fast. Okay. So, okay, here I am. So I have the numbers. I have, see this? I have a 6 plus 6 equals 12, and that's a doubles. So I write my 2 because there are 2 ones, and I regroup. And then I take this off, and I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 82. And I touch everything as I add them together because it makes it easier for me. Okay, once again, I'm lining this up. I have, let's see, I can make a 10, or I can make an 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. So then 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 3 equals 19. Okay, so and it definitely is over 10. Regroup. Here we go. Take off my Post-it. And we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 99. The bottom, how is adding 3 two-digit numbers like adding 2 two-digit numbers? How is it like? There we go. Think about that one. For your homework, today I'm going to have you do on my own, page 199, and then 200. Oops. Here's 200. I'm still playing with this machine. So 99 and 200 for your homework. We are not going to do this page yet. We'll do this page tomorrow. So for right now, though, you're doing page 199 and 200. I'll write it up here. 199, 200. That's your homework. And we'll be looking at this a lot because this is pretty challenging. Okay, so I will see you in class and we will talk more about it.